and today we are going to discuss about a very exciting event known as Jhulon. I hope you all know about Rakhi Purnima. Yeah. In Bengal, it is also celebrated as Jhulon Purnima. In the day, Bengalis make miniatures of landscapes. It can be hills, it can be riverside, it can be anything. It can be described as sculpture of your scenery. I know you all draw scenery often. People use many materials to make that. They use mud, they use water, they use grasses, tree branches. But today, I am going to share with you my very simple, eco-friendly, reusable, mud and dust free Jhulon. Let's concentrate. So guys, there you can see a hill. Okay. There's a stream. See, there's a stream going downwards, and there it becomes a river. You have to use your imagination and think the river is flowing frontwards. Okay. I have made this stream with a simple plastic. I have cut the plastic and I have just put it like this. There you can see I have made the road with book covers. I think you all have book covers at home only, right? And there's vehicles. You have to imagine there's a city over there and the vehicles are moving towards the city. See, in the hill, in the upper portion, there are wild animals like Rhino, lion, tiger. In the lower portion, there are Panda, wildcat, giraffe. And beneath the hill, you can see in the field, the sheep and cow, they are grazing. In this side, you can see a camel. So you have to imagine there's a desert over here and the camel is moving there. There in the back side, you can see a aeroplane and a small portion of the runway. You have to imagine there's an airport in this side and you can see a little portion of that. The most exciting part is over here, where you can see an open hood bus. People are on the bus and they are going for the jungle safari. I hope you all have been to jungle safari. If not, soon you will be. It's a really interesting thing. Of course you will attend. So guys, that's it. And one more thing I'll tell you. I have made this hill only with the dupatta. And under my dupatta, there are boxes, vessels and glasses which you will find in your mama's kitchen only. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just go and make your own Jhulon. It's really funny and interesting and exciting, I know you all will enjoy that. And if mama tells you, don't bring dirt in my home, don't make my home dirty, you will say, chill mama, just give me your dupatta and I'll make my own Jhulon. Okay. So guys, if you like this video, just press the like button and share with your friends so that they also can enjoy and make their own Jhulon, right? And for more exciting videos, subscribe our channel, Cartoons Kids or channel.